Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. I want to talk about the Cardano Summit. Cardano Summit's going on. If you haven't registered yet, it appears that you may still have a chance to get in. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm also going to show you the process that you need, the things you need to find to get the NFT for the Cardano Summit. Excuse me. And but I want to talk about the IOHK, uh, the Scots Fest that just went on. This was a 2-day event. Now you don't have to watch it all, but I encourage you to go and watch the keynote speaker, the presentation that Charles Hoskinson gave. There's lots of good information in here. He has a announcement of a new blockchain that they're releasing called Midnight. It's going to be built as a side chain on Cardano. It's very good. The whole thing is very good. There was lots of good presentations in that. Uh, I keep coming back to Cardano. I look at all the blockchain. I like to invest in certain things. Polygon and some VeChain or something like that. Uh, so I look at these other projects, but I keep coming back to Cardano for this reason. You know, whether you like it or not, the internet has basically become a de facto kind of government, and this is really true. I talk to people and they say, oh well, I don't want a digital ID. I don't want to be a part of any kind of digital government or world government or anything like that. But if you look at it, like for instance, Facebook, a government is a grouping of people, and the internet has really grouped people together, brought people together, um, and you even start to see policies forming for that government. Like for instance, no hate speech policy in Twitter, and then Elon Musk bought it, and now it's a free speech policy. This is the government is moving into a digital realm, whether we like it or not. It's even taxing you, and you don't even know it, but it's even taxing you to be a part of it. For instance, when the Facebook sells your information, this is a tax on you. This is your asset. Your information is one of your assets that you're freely giving away as a taxation to use that platform. And so sticking your head in the sand and being like, oh, I don't want to be a part of any of this is not going to make it go away. All it's going to do is create a situation where you don't have a say in the mode of operation or the direction of that government. And this is why I keep coming back to Cardano. Cardano is just so impressive what they've done. And it's the best chance at this point, evaluating all the projects. We don't need a we don't need to go into business with the internet. Okay, you're trading stuff in the internet. This is like there's contracts being formed in the internet, and it's really foolish to go into business with somebody or to hire somebody to do something and not have a physical contract. And that's basically what's happening. You're signing all your rights away to use certain platforms like Facebook and Twitter and things like that. There needs to be a intermediary where we get benefit from the transaction and not just giving everything away. And so I'm really excited about the future. I encourage you to watch this video. This is really great. The whole thing is great. Let's get on with it though. Okay, look. So the Cardano Summit, if you'll go to https Cardano Summit 2022 Azure website.net. This is built on Azure. Then this is the Metaverse hub that's been created. Now I have a login here. You also can create an account. Now I'm not sure if you'll automatically be registered for the Cardano Summit if you just create an account. I previously registered for the Cardano Summit, but I'm going to log in here and show you some of this. I'm actually going to, let's see here. Okay, so you see that I've registered for the Cardano Summit. I'm actually I'm gonna cheat a little bit and plug my Xbox controller in so that I can walk around freely. Okay, so I'm gonna enter the summit. Gives you a little disclaimer. Let's see what we got. Tells you what you should have. There you go, it's loading. All right, let's start exploring. Okay, there's lots to see. Walk around, find the Summit NFTs. So I have my Xbox controller going. They've changed it up quite a bit. I'm going to let you explore a lot of this. I'm just going to kind of get to, I'm going to just show you a couple things. Okay, for one, we have the agenda here. So if you want to, view the agenda, then here's the agenda. You just come to the sitemap. Um, we've got different auditoriums. So you have the foyer, which is the area that I'm in now. And then we'll go down to the garden. Like I said, I'm gonna let you explore. There's some new projects in here. Always big on Block Frost. Block Frost. If you're interested in building some stuff, make sure you check out the Block Frost booth. NFT Maker. They've launched their Rogue Galaxy game, or they're starting their Rogue Galaxy game, and they have a little contest going on where you can mint a character. They're doing a free minting on that if you want to propose a character for the game. Lots of exciting stuff going on here. This is Atrium. This is a good booth to check out. This was a new project to me, and so you might want to check that one out. So walk around and check things out. But over here, let's see, we have to go around this way to get outside. Going to go out to the balcony. And what you want to do is interact with the Cardano coin here. This will give you some information. So you have to find, what we're going to do is we're going to try to find the Cardano coins. And when you collect them all, then that's when you're able to mint that free NFT. Well, it's not free. It's actually it's a couple ADA. But let's go. Let's check this out. I'll show you where these are at. I don't have some good information. Just a little stuff talking about Cardano. It says I have 10 more to find. But the blockchain really is. It is a government, and this is what. I mean, this is the future. It's going to be NFTs are going to be all of your assets, your any kind of property you own is going to have an NFT attached to it. Um, Things that you purchase are going to have NFTs attached to them. And the blockchain, all your information is going to be on the blockchain. The beautiful thing about Midnight, which is a new side chain that Charles Hoskinson just started talking about. The beautiful thing about Midnight um, is that what it does is it allows you to it's going to allow you to interact with uh, social media and digital platforms without divulging your information if you choose not to. It's I wouldn't say it's a privacy coin, although it is going to have privacy attached to it. Uh, so basically, what's going to happen if you don't know is you can create a proof of human. You can do a KYC, a know your customer. And from what I understand, um, that know your customer, that proof that you're a human can be stored on your local device, whether that's your phone or your physical computer. I know there's one over here somewhere. Whether that's your phone or your local computer. And what is going to happen, unless they move, they might change spots when you log in different times. What's going to happen is your wallet is going to be able to digitally handshake. Here it is. Digitally handshake uh, the websites that you interact with, and you're going to be able. You'll only have to divulge the information that you choose to divulge for any given website. Some of those. Some of the websites, that's probably just your username and password, your login. So, and the website won't even have to have your information. There's not going to need to be any, your name or your information given to the website. I foresee the day that, when you sign up for a website and you enter your name, that's not even something that will need to be done. The website won't even need to know who specifically they're interacting with. They'll just need to know that your ID is correct, that you digitally handshook the website with the NFT, and which will be the NFT in your wallet, which will be your new ID. So basically, it's the website would be checking for, Web3 would be checking for the ID itself and not necessarily the information on the ID. But as long as you have that ID in your wallet, then you'll be acceptable to. Oh, you'll be accepted to be able to log to a website. So it's a little game here, and you just run around, you grab these coins. Let's see, I need one more. That was the one that I fell on. So let's head back up there and grab that. I don't want to make this video too long, but I did want to show you where these are. And midnight is needed. And the wonderful thing about Cardano, look, you're able to create your own coin. A company can create their own coin and can then process the transactions by paying with their own currency. You know, governments of the world, let's go ahead and mint this thing. Governments of the world, they really could essentially create their own stable coin or their own currency on the Cardano blockchain. And that currency would come with the governance aspect of Cardano. And it would create a good foundation, and it wouldn't interfere. You know what I'm saying? Their coin would not interfere, or the Cardano blockchain would not interfere with their currency actually itself. It could just be built on it. This is a great foundation. What's being built is an incredible foundation. And I've looked at all the blockchains. Really, I mean, you know, look, I'm an electrician. I'm not anybody, right? But I've looked at all of them. I do research. I do a lot of research, and Cardano is really impressive. I just encourage you to look into it. So let's claim this right now. 1% of NFTs minted is a rare golden. Okay, so let's hope that we get a rare golden one. All right, this is where I'm gonna end the video. So everybody knows how to mint an NFT. Hopefully, if you don't, you're gonna copy this. You're going to copy the address, and you're going to send the payment to the address. So Look, y'all are beautiful, and I will see you next time. Make sure you check out Blockchain Friends, Art by Nora, Magic Square NFT, and very exciting things happening. I'll see you next time.